In this question, they are saying speed of car is 72 kilometer per hour. ठीक है. So here they gave a speed of a car. So we can mention in such a manner speed of car. So this is given as 72 kilometer per hour. ठीक है. So here they have expressed in this way. You can also express kilometer per hour this way also. Okay. So they have asked you to convert in a meter per second. Now most of you would be knowing that कि 72 को simply किससे multiply करना है 5/18 से. Okay. And then whatever the possible cancellation. But some of you might be not clear why 5/18 only. So for those students who are not clear why this 5/18, so look, it is kilometer per hour ना. तो किलो के प्लेस में हम क्या रख सकते हैं, किलो की वैल्यू दैट इज 1000. मीटर विल रिमेन एज इट इज. R 1 hour is equals to how many second, because we need to put it in kilometer per second, so we can put it in 1 hour is equals to 3600 second, right? So ये दो zeros तो cancel हो गए. फर्दर कैन वी से कि ये 2 से डिवाइड होगा 5 ज़ा एंड ये 2 से डिवाइड होगा 18 ज़ा. सो फ्रॉम दिस वे वी कम टू नो कि किलोमीटर पर आवर को मीटर पर सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5/18. ओके, बिकॉज दिस इज द डिफरेंस वी हैव. नाउ वन मोर थिंग, यू कैन पुट इट लाइक किलोमीटर सिंस आर इज इन डिनोमिनेटर. अगर मैं ऊपर लाती हूँ तो ये -1 हो जाएगा. ओके, then 5/18 as it is. This thing meter per second, if you bring this in numerator, so it would be represented in this way. Okay, so look, 18 ones are, I hope you all know the table of 18, so it would be around 4s are. Okay, now further whatever the possible calculation, 5 4s are, it's somewhat how much, 20. Okay, meter per second. So speed of the car they have asked in what, meter per second. So speed of car is given as how much, 20 meter per second. So I hope you all are clear with the solution. In case if you have any doubt, you can reach to us. Thank you.